Welcome students. I am Satish Kumar Sinha, physics teacher. Today we are going to discuss different applications of atmospheric refraction. Why the planet do not twinkle? Planet do not twinkle because they appear large in size than the stars as they are relatively closer to Earth. Planets can be considered as a collection of large number of point-sized sources of light. The different parts of these planets produce either brighter or dimmer effect in such a way that the average brighter and dimmer effect is zero. Hence, the twinkling effects of the planets are nullified and they do not twinkle. Another applications: why is the sun visible before the actual sunrise and after the actual sunset? That is advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. The air near the earth is optically denser than that of higher altitude. The sun rays thus travel from a rarer to a denser medium. When the light is slightly below the horizon, then the sun's light coming from less denser air to more dense air is refracted downwards as it passes through the atmosphere. Because of this atmospheric refraction, the sun appears to be raised above the horizon. Therefore, the sun becomes visible a few minutes, about 2 minutes before its actual size. Similarly, sun remains visible for about 2 minutes after its actual setting. A scattering of light. The definition of a scattering of light is the different color of white light wave gets separated and travel around the particles in different directions. This phenomenon is known as a scattering of light. According to Rayleigh, the amount of a scattering of light is inversely proportional to the fourth power of the wavelength. Wavelength of red light is greater than the wavelength of blue or violet light. Therefore, the intensity of a scattered red light is less than the intensity of the scattered blue or violet light. Some effects of scattering or applications of scattering of light. Some effects of scattering of sunlight by the earth atmospheres are blue color of a sky, white color of a sky at noon, red color of sun during sunrise and sunset, black color of a sky in the absence of atmosphere, white color of clouds, and use of red light for the danger signal. Blue color of a sky. Why a sky appears to be blue? The light from sun has to travel a longer distance of the earth's atmosphere before reaching our eyes. As the light travels through the atmosphere, it gets scattered in different directions by the air molecules present in its path. The blue light, due to its shorter wavelength, is scattered more as compared to the red light reaches. So when we look upwards, the sky appears to be blue. Why the sun appears red at sunrise and sunset? During sunrise, the sunlight has traveled to greater distance in the earth atmosphere before reaching our eyes. In this long journey of sunlight, most of the shorter wavelength blue color present in it is scattered out, and that is away from the line of sight. Therefore, the light that reaches our eyes is of longer wavelength. This gives rise to reddish appearance of the sun. Why does the sky appear dark instead of blue to an astronaut? The sky appears dark instead of blue to an astronaut because there is no atmosphere in the outer space, and so no scattering of light occurs. As the sunlight is not scattered and no scattered light reaches to the observer eyes, that is the astronaut, due to this the sky appears dark and black instead of blue. Next is why red light is used for danger signal. Since the wavelength of red light is the longest in the visible light, therefore the red is scattered least by the air molecules of the atmosphere. Due to this, the red light can be seen in the same color even from a distance in the presence of dust particle. Thank you.